Take a moment to arrive here, right where you are. Close your eyes and place both hands gently on your body, wherever feels right. I want to invite you into something that might feel a little uncomfortable at first, a conversation with your body that is long overdue. Most of us spend years, sometimes decades or lifetimes, in a state of quiet war with our bodies, criticizing them, ignoring them, pushing them past their limits, and then resenting them when they break down, wishing they were different, treating them as obstacles rather than homes. And our bodies, faithful and uncomplaining, keep showing up anyway. As you inhale, speak to your body silently from your heart, not with empty words, but with genuine intention. I'm sorry for the times I did not listen to you. I am sorry for the times I pushed you too hard. I am sorry for the unkind things I said about you. And as you exhale, feel your body receiving that apology. Feel the relationship between you begin, even slightly, to soften and repair. Your body has never stopped loving you. It has been waiting for you to come back and notice it. I am sending you so much love.